So we are now standing at the mine site of the emerald mineralization. Okay, these emerald deposits, they are hosted within the metamorphosed ultramafic rocks. That is, they are hosted in the talc carbonate schist, and they are associated with the quartz veins. Okay, so talc carbonate schist is basically part of a melange zone, and this melange zone is called Mingora aphylitic melange. क्या कहते हैं इसको? Mingora aphylitic melange. This melange zone is actually marking the collision between the Khoistan Island or in the north and the Indian plate in the south. And because of this collision, this intense collision, the oceanic lithospheric rocks were brought up. There have been abduction of the oceanic lithosphere along this melange zone. What I mean to say that ophiolitic rocks have been emplaced between this collisional boundary, which is called MMT zone, Man Mantle Thrust Zone. So the Mingora ophiolitic melange is representing a part of the main mantle thrust zone, along which the oceanic lithosphere rocks have been brought up. They have been abducted onto the continental crust of the Indian plate, and as a result of that, this sequence of thrust faults have been formed, which is collectively known as Man Mantle Thrust Zone. So this Man Mantle Thrust Zone in the north-south direction, it marks the collisional boundary between the Khoistan Island and the Indian plate, and it's consisting of serpentinites, dunnites, chromatites, talc schists, okay, phylitic rocks, Hasburgite, Whirlite, and several other ultramafic rocks. Now, at different places in east-west direction, this melange zone is extended in east-west direction. It's striking east-west, and at different places along this MMT zone, different ophiolitic rocks have been abducted. One of that is the Mingora ophiolitic melange, and if we go to further east, you will encounter the Charbagh green schist melange and the Shangla blue schist melange. So the Charbagh green schist melange is representing that ophiolitic sequence, while the Shangla blue schist melange is also representing that melange zone. Blue schist is actually the blue coloration, which reflect which were enriched in boron, beryllium, chlorine, alumina, and silicon. These hydrothermal solution, hot saline solutions, they interacted with the ultramafic rocks present in the ophiolites along the MMT, right? Because of that, metasomatism and alteration took place, and the chromium was provided by the chromite along the ophiolitic zone, while the other materials were brought from the hydrothermal solution, and as a result of that, the emerald mineralization took place. Did you get my point? Yes, so it was formed because of the interaction of hydrothermal solution produced during post-collisional magmatism. उसकी इतनी एक्सपेंसिवनेस नहीं होती जितनी की एमरल्ड की है. ठीक है जनाब. और इस बेसिकली साइक्लोसिलिकेट, व्हाट इज इस फार्मूला, क्या है? आपसे कोई पूछे यार कि इसके कंपोजिशन में क्या है, तो व्हाट वुड यू टेल हिम? थोड़ा सा बताएं ना, आपने मिनरोलॉजी पढ़ी है, पेट्रोलॉजी में भी चीज़ों को पढ़ा हुआ है। इट्स अ बेरिलियम एल्यूमिनोसिलिकेट, इट्स द बेरिलियम एल्यूमिनोसिलिकेट, ठीक है जनाब। नाउ व्हाट इज देयर होस्ट रॉक? अभी मैंने बताया था ना, व्हाट इज द होस्ट रॉक? Yes, it's a talc magnesite schist or talc carbonate schists. So they are hosting these emerald mineralization in the form, mostly in the form of disseminations. Dissemination आपको पता है कि sporadically distributed, and some are also found in the form of veins in the quartz veins. ठीक है जनाब? So ये अच्छा, how did they form along this Milan zone? बाकी मिलांजेस में भी है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये उसका मेजर जो डिपॉजिट है एमरल्ड का, वो मिंगोरा के अंदर है। इसी तरह एक दूसरा जो इसकी माइंस है वो है गुजरकली में, तो यहाँ से प्रॉबेबली टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट में है गुजरकले। सेम यस, शांगला में भी कुछ अकरेंसेज इसकी है, मोमंद में मोमन एजेंसी, ठीक है, वहाँ प्रांगर एरिया में इसकी वो है, और बाजौड़ में भी अरंग बरंग का एरिया है, वो भी इसी मिलांज का हिस्सा है, ठीक है ना। तो उसके इलांग भी इसकी मिनरलाइजेशन रिपोर्टेड है, लेकिन ये जो जोन है ये सबसे बड़ा डिपॉजिट है रिप्रेजेंट कर, जहाँ पे तकरीबन कोई 14 के करीब फ्यू किलोमीटर टनल उन्होंने बनाए हैं। 14 से ज्यादा टनल्स है, अभी तकरीबन 20 तक शायद होंगे, कोई 18-20 टनल्स बनाए। एक प्राइवेट बंदा है तो उसने ये स्टार्ट किया हुआ है, ठीक है जनाब। अच्छा, नाउ यू थिंक अबाउट द ओरिजिन ऑफ द एमरल्ड, कि एमरल्ड कैसे बने होंगे, कैसे बनते हैं एमरल्ड, ये प्रोसेसेस तो आपने पढ़े होंगे। हाँ जी, एमरल्ड के अंदर बेरिलियम है, एल्यूमिनियम है और सिलिकॉन है और ऑक्सीजन, ठीक है ना। तो ज्यादा जो ऑथेंटिक मॉडल है जिसके ऊपर आइसोटोपिक स्टडीज भी हुई है, जो केमिकल स्टडीज भी हुई हैं, ये कहते हैं कि ड्यूरिंग द पोस्ट कोलिजनल प्रोसेसेस, जो पोस्ट कोलिजनल स्टेज ऑफ द एमएमटी क्लोजर, ठीक है ना, granites were evolved like Malaccan granites. Malaccan granite is one of the post collisional S type of granite.